guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl PajonMonye. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, girl, welcome back. As y'all can see by the title, I am going to install this beautiful T-part wig, you guys. Like, this wig is so pretty, it's so soft, it was so easy to install. I think it's definitely beginner friendly, so you guys keep watching and we will get into this install. Hey guys, so I got this wig from Hurela Hair. They sent me over this T-part wig. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in the box first. Of course, the wig cap. And they also sent this cute little goodie bag. It had some clips, which I always need. Also, it has some lashes, which these are very cute, y'all. Like, they're really cute. And of course, they sent me like a silk scarf, which it is cute as well because I don't have anything in that type of style. So next, we want to move on to the wig. Of course, they sent me a T-part in 24 inches. And let me tell you, you guys, I believe this is the full 24 inches, okay? So the wig came very packaged very good. It came with the net, of course, the styrofoam, and also some little pieces to keep the styrofoam in place. But as y'all can see, this wig and the hair looks really good, okay? So look at the lace, y'all. This lace blends pretty well. It came like a medium light brown, so I can already tell that it's going to blend into my skin super good. Like, do y'all see that? To say this is a T-part wig, the lace looks really good. So next, I'm going to basically bleach the knots just on this little perimeter of lace they have. And this is why it's called a T-part wig, you guys. And I'm going to use my 50 developer and my bleach and just literally spread it on the area that only has lace. I was trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now. So after I let the bleach sit for about 20 minutes, I washed and blowed out the wig, and this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. I think this looks pretty good. So I'm going to prep my wig before installing just to make it easier for me to install. So I'm going to use my even wax stick, and this is in a sense peach, y'all. This smells so good. But I'm going to use the wax stick just to lay down all flyaways and to kind of brush the hair back from the hairline. So once I use my hot comb, it'll just be easier for me to, you know, guide the hot comb through. And when I apply the wig, all the hairs will be out my face. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. Okay, y'all, so of course it's time for the install portion. So we're going to take our cap, and today we are doing the ball cap method. If you guys don't want to do the ball cap method, that's fine, but I just wanted to do it just because I want to show y'all literally start to finish steps of me installing the wig. So once you have your cap on, of course you want to cut your holes out and just make sure that it's enough room for your ears to actually fit all the way through. So cut your ears out on each side. And then I'm going to go in after I cut my ears out and add some concealer. This is I really don't remember where I got this palette from, y'all, but basically I'm just using both of these colors to kind of match my skin tone underneath. And again, you do not have to go crazy like you would a normal 13x4 or 13x6 frontal, but you do want to put enough just so whatever parts of lace that's showing can match your skin as much as possible. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. So ice spray got to be sprayed along my hairline and just use my blow dryer on a cool setting to just dry everything in. And I just remember to do that, of course, on both sides and all around my head. So when I do cut off the cap, everything will be nice and laid. So when cutting off the cap, just make sure you guys are taking your time, because for one, you do not want to cut your skin, and of course you do not want to cut any hair off. So just be careful when you are going around your hairline and just continue to cut off that cap. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl. After cleaning off your skin with some alcohol, I'm going to take that same concealer and put it inside the lace on the wig so that it can match my skin a little bit better. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. So now I'm just applying the wig on you guys, just to make sure that everything is laying right and lining up right, so I don't have to basically go back in and like cut any extra cap off or anything underneath. But so far, y'all, I love this lace. It looks HD or transparent, but it's really, really good. It's a very snug fit and it lays super flat. So I really appreciate that. So what I'm going to do now is just basically cut my lace into 3 sections, just to make it a little easier for when I'm applying the glue and starting to actually install the wig. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. To install my wig, I'm using the Bold Hold Active, and I honestly really love this glue. If you want a strong hold and you do like different, I'm gonna say, activities, or just really active or sweat a lot, this glue is really, really good for you. Especially if you also maintenance your wig or your, lace as well. But I love this glue because it gets really, really tacky, but if you know how to work with it quick, then you won't have a problem installing. So I'm basically just putting this glue on all 3 sections 3 times, and then I'm gonna blow dry it and then start putting down my lace. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. So as you guys can see, I had no trouble at all melting this lace into my skin. Like, look at that. It's really flawless, you guys. I really love this lace. And then next, I'm just going to blow dry it all in. And basically, I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with this section to the last 2 sections. Right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch
waste your time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Mine. All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Now, when it comes to cutting off your lace, you want to make sure that you're never doing it in a straight line, which is why I like to use a razor because it never gives a straight line anyway. So you always want to just try to make sure that when you are cutting with scissors or a razor that you still move the tool in a jagged like motion, like up and down, or something of that nature, so it'll give kind of a realistic hairline. So as y'all can see, like this, even though it's not a lot of lace that was on this wig anyway, but it still blends, in my opinion, pretty well. So I'm just taking out my baby hairs and about to basically try to, make this wig look just a little more natural. So I pulled out these baby hairs and we're just gonna continue to customize and cutting them and, styling.
To the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart.
To lay our baby hairs today, we're going to be using the Got to Be spray on the edge brush. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was struggling with my baby hairs on camera. So honestly, when I came back at the end, I styled them a whole different way or like did them over. But yeah, so this is the look period with the baby hairs. So now I'm just going to tie down my baby hairs and get ready to just straighten out my wig.
Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end.
So now that both sides are straightened, y'all, I really am in love with this hair. I'm gonna take my wax stick and just further put it along the top of my head so I can get ready to hot comb everything nice and flat.
Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn.
So guys, to make my part look a little more crisp, I'm going to be using these two colors and put it directly in my part and a little bit in my baby hair area just to blend everything to make it super seamless and to get rid of those dark spots or, you know, unbleached knots.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Mine. All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road.
So guys, as y'all saw by the video, I am done with installing my hair, and y'all, honestly, this hair is so freaking amazing. Like, I love this hair. This probably was the easiest installs I've ever did, with like really low maintenance of like lace, for one, because you barely have any lace. But to me, this is enough to make a wig look natural as possible. So I just, you know, straightened it out. It didn't take much to get it back super straight. I really didn't add any extra products to this hair, y'all, besides just a little oil. But other than that, you guys, like, this wig is so beautiful. I recommend this wig for anybody who is really, you know, trying to start doing their hair on their own, or just really starting to get into wigs and still want a realistic hair look, because I think you can definitely achieve this with this wig. Like, do y'all see this? This was so pretty. I had so much fun doing this. This wig is super flat, you guys. And if you guys know, honestly, I did not braid down my hair at all, y'all. I pulled my natural hair to the back and put it in a bun. So that tells you how well this wig is constructed, because it doesn't take much for it to lay flat at all. Thank you to Hurela Hair for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you guys for sending me this beautiful wig. Like, I do not regret this at all. This is so pretty. I think you guys should definitely go shop this wig. All the links will be in the description box. If you guys want to keep up and see more pictures and stuff I post with this wig, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Everything would be on there, from on my story to on my posts and my feeds. So yeah, make sure you guys keep up so y'all can see the looks that I do with this pretty wig. I love this. I love this. Make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment below to let me know if you guys like this or not, and if you guys will go try this wig out. And also make sure you go follow me on all my social media accounts, you guys, because when I'm not on YouTube, I'm definitely active on all of my other social media accounts. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys for watching.